Hello everyone, Derek Esalius with Beth Guru Priya Sanchez here with an invitation for our upcoming Nature and Spirit Yoga Retreat. It's an all-inclusive yoga retreat happening in Crestone, Colorado. I want to turn over to Beth, who can share a little bit more, and we'll come back to me.
Well, basically I just wanted to share that we're going to be spending a lot of time outdoors and exploring our interconnectedness with the earth, our sense of ourselves as extensions of nature and not distinct from nature, and furthermore looking deeply into how nature is constantly transmitting Dharma.
That's beautiful. I look forward to all that, as well as sharing yoga practice. Yoga invites us to go inwards and explore our own inner nature. So we'll have some profound time for inner reflection and practice. I'm so looking forward to this retreat coming up August 24th through the 27th. Again, it's all inclusive and in Crestone, Colorado. So please join us. We look forward to it.
Namaste.
Namaste.